What if I told you I got 100,000 Kenya shillings from Nyota program to start my business? Will you believe me? Hi, I'm Carlos, guide at Secret Layers, a poultry education platform that teaches you how to start and run a layer poultry farm profitably. And in this video, I'm going to show you how I will get 100,000 Kenya shillings from the Nyota program. Now, I didn't qualify to get the money, but if I would have qualified, this is what I would have done to ensure that I secure 100,000 instead of 50,000. Before we begin, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe so you don't miss any future updates from this channel. So if you clicked on this video, you probably know what Nyota program is. And if you don't know, Nyota program is a youth empowerment program provided by the government of Kenya to empower the youths by giving them 50,000 Kenya shillings, either to start their businesses or to grow their already existing businesses. Now, I understand for some 50,000 might be enough, but for others, especially for me, and I'm sure there are also many others out there, 50,000 will not be enough for you to start or grow your existing business the way you want it. So, what other options do you have? Let's first use my own example. So for me, I wanted to start a layer poultry farm with 100 birds, 100 layer chicken. But now, after doing the research and the calculations, I realized that I needed 91,000 Kenya shillings in order to start, while the Nyota program provides only 50,000. So you see the discrepancy. And with 50,000, there's nothing I can do, there's nothing I can start. Like there's no way I can start the layer poultry farm with only 50,000. I need the 91,000. By the way, if layer poultry farming is also part of your plan, you can get this free guide here. It explains all the steps that you should take in order to start and run your layer poultry farm profitably. It's totally free. So there is only one thing that I would have done to ensure that I get 100,000, and that is by partnering with a fellow Nyota beneficiary. That's the only solution, and that's what I would have done. If each beneficiary gets 50,000, then it means if I partner with somebody, then together we have 100,000. Now that just seems easy when I say it, but I know in real life it's going to be quite hard to do that. It's going to be quite hard to get that person, to get that partner. So what kind of person or what kind of partner would I have looked for to get together into this? One, I would have gone for my friend. I understand even some people applied for the funds together as a group of friends by telling each other. So that's where one of my partners would come from. Two, I would have gone for somebody I live around with, somebody who is my neighbor, because proximity is also a key to trust. And I can't be doing business with somebody who is 100 kilometers away and it's a layer poultry farm and we are both partners. And then you might be asking, now where will you get this person? Well, for the Nyota program, they have a 1 week or 2 weeks training, which they'll be given after they've been selected to be given the money. So that's the time that I would have used to make sure I know people and to make sure I secure a partnership at that time. I know you know this famous quote: if you want to go fast, go alone, but if you want to go far, go with others. Well, this is the right moment where it applies. And remember, your partner has to be somebody you are in the same business together with. For my case, layer poultry farm, it should be somebody you share the same goals, because maybe some people just want to get the money to pay off loans or buy other things. So you make sure that it's somebody you have the same goals with and you also have the same vision. Because why the hell would I partner with you if you want to start a layer poultry farm, if you want to grow? Well, for me, I will eventually want to do something else. No vision, no partnership. And just to show you how powerful this is, there is no limit to the number of partners you can get. For my case, where I needed 91,000 Kenya shillings, 2 partners would be enough, each contributing 50,000 and 50,000, giving us 100,000 and an extra 9,000 to play with. But if your business needs more money, then you can go for the number of partners you can get, and therefore the amount of money that you need. Is this legal? Does Nyota program allow this? Well, it doesn't matter, and they don't care, because since they've given us the money, from there it's now our jobs. It's our responsibility to use that money the way we want to. And if partnering makes us better, then why not do it? So the best scenario that I've been thinking is getting 5 people who have the same goal, the same business and the same vision, and then putting that money together. That gives you 250,000. Now from that, you can register the business, you can have enough working capital, and you can even have money to enjoy with. So yeah, make use of the opportunity. The disclaimer is that this is not going to be as easy as you think, because remember, you're dealing with people, and where there are people, there are always problems. But give it a try, and who knows, maybe it can work and you can have a lasting relationship and good business. Let me know what you think about this plan in the comments and if it will work. If you found value in this, please subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. And if you're interested in layer poultry farming, make sure you get this free guide. I'll put the link in the description. I have this other video explaining step by step of how I will spend the 50,000 that I would have gotten from Nyota program. Please watch it, it will be helpful, and I'm sure you'll get something out of it. And all the best.